Hi everyone. Today you guys are gonna come along with me while I get organized for back to school. There's a bunch of things I need to do today, so let's just get started. So the first thing I need to do is look at what classes I'm taking and what my schedule is. It's been a while since I signed up for classes, and to be quite honest, I forgot what I'm taking. I hate when people ask over the summer what classes I'm taking for the next school year because I don't know. Like, I never know. I'm just signing into my school's website. Okay, now I'm nervous because the way that my schedule is showing it, I don't know how to explain this. So basically I'm majoring in television, film, and media. So the classes that I'm taking for that will say like TVF and then a number, but I don't know what the actual classes are. Actually, I could probably just look up the numbers in like the course catalog. Okay, I figured out my classes. I'm taking digital post-production. This one is an anthropology class. It's called Where in the Californian Community Are You? I am minoring in social media marketing, so I'm taking intro to social media marketing, and then digital sound post-production, and then a political science class called Power, Politics, and Engagement in the US Government. I'm gonna go ahead and make folders for all these classes on my laptop. That way, whenever I save any assignments or documents from Canvas, I can just put them in that classes folder. This makes it so much easier when I'm turning things in or just switching between devices since everything's gonna be connected on iCloud. Okay, so I just made a big folder called Fall 22, and then I made 5 more folders with all of my class names. I am just gonna organize this so that it doesn't look so messy. None of my classes have opened on Canvas yet since it's only the beginning of August, and I don't start until I think the 22nd. Let me actually make sure I start on the 22nd because I am scared. Okay, yes, I do start on the 22nd. I also need to make sure that I know which classes are online and which ones are in person because I think I do have a couple that are online, or maybe just one, I'm not totally sure, and I don't want to show up to school one day when I don't even have any in-person classes, so I do need to double check that. But anyways, if my classes had opened up on Canvas, I could go through each one's syllabus and write down any important dates in my planner. So I have this academic planner from Papier. Thank you so much to Papier for sponsoring today's video. This partnership came at such a good time because I have been on the hunt for the perfect planner, and this is it. So I do want to give you guys a little haul of all the school supplies I got from them because they are so cute. So first up is this academic planner. It even has my name on the front. I love how you can personalize everything. In the beginning, it has a little about me page, and then it has some pages where you can write down your schedule, which is so convenient, and I will be doing that after this. It also has a section for important deadlines to keep you organized and on track. And then it has a bunch of monthly overviews with a page for goals and to-do lists and stuff, and then a calendar. And then it has all of the weekly overviews. I love how this has lines because my handwriting would be all over the place if not. I also love how it has a little calendar at the bottom with the highlighted week. Super helpful. And then at the end, it even has a finance tracker and recipe ideas. Like, are you kidding me? They thought of everything. This is the perfect planner to stay organized for school. And can we just talk about how aesthetic it is? Like, I will actually be motivated to use this because it's so cute. They also do have a ton of different other designs, but moving on to the rest of the stuff, I also got some notebooks. First is this one that says Rise and Shine, and then this one with this little checker design. These both have my name on them. I also think it's so cute how the colors match each other. These are both just plain lined notebooks, which obviously is a staple, just a basic necessity for school. Also, the quality of these is insane, by the way. They are so nice. I also got some notepads. First is this little funky one with some doodles on it. Then I have this floral one, and then this little heart checkered one. And again, everything is personalized with my name on it. These are great for making like quick lists, whether that's homework assignments, grocery lists, supplies you need for a project. These are just always handy. Then I got this weekly planner. This is just like a pad that can go on my desk, and here's what the inside looks like. It'll be really helpful to have like a bigger notepad like this where I can just jot stuff down quickly. It also matches my academic planner. This is gonna look so cute on my desk. And last but not least, I got this pen to match my notebooks. So make sure to go check out Papier. I do have a discount code for you guys. I'll have it on the screen. So if you want to get anything, use my code and get 15% off. Again, they have a bunch of different designs to choose from, and they are all such great quality. So now I'm gonna use the schedule section in this academic planner to write down my schedule. I'm so bad at remembering it for the first few weeks, so this will really help me out. So now that that's done, I'm gonna add it to my whiteboard as well. I'm a super visual person, so having it just there where I can always see it will also really help me. And I'm just gonna write it down as many times as I need to because I do not want to forget anything. I'm so scared of that. Okay, so now I want to organize my closet. It is a huge mess right now, and I just want to have a fresh start for the school year. So here is what my closet looks like now, and then this is the bad part. Here is the back of it. I'll try to show you guys back here. Here's kind of what it looks like. I can barely fit back there, so that's the best you're gonna get. It's gotten to the point where it's so unorganized that I just don't even try, mostly just in this back part over here because I never go back there. My closet is also super narrow, as you can see, which makes it hard to even get back there. Yeah, it's just super awkward. So I'm gonna clean this stuff up, organize what I can, and I'll come back when I'm done. Okay, so we made some progress. I'll give you guys a little tour of my closet. Not a whole lot was even done, but I feel like it already looks a lot better. So I have all my tops right here, my laundry basket, these two drawers, and then right here I have these two baskets. This one just has my comfy shorts, and then this one is kind of like my messy basket. I don't know what to call it, but basically I just always have clothes where I'm like, oh, but I don't want to put this away yet because what if I like wear it again today, or like, I don't know, just random clothes that I only wore for like a short amount of time and I don't want to like put them in the dirty clothes because I'm not like done with them yet. And so this was like overflowing before. I don't know if you guys saw, because that's just kind of my place to put like the messier stuff. Allowing myself for like a little basket for that has been really helpful because then those clothes aren't just thrown everywhere around my closet. They're like contained in a little basket, so the mess is at least kind of organized. Over here I have some of my jewelry, and then up here these three are sweatshirts and crew necks. Up here I just have some random stuff. So these are some little mirrors that I just haven't used. I have this throw blanket that I haven't used yet because it's not really cold enough. I have a flower vase, the air mattress for when guests come over, and then my yoga mat. There's really no good place to put that, so I just threw it up there. These are all my pants. I have dresses, some warmer clothes like sweaters and jackets and stuff. Underneath I have this little shoe rack, and then this is where I keep my suitcase. I'm not gonna go too in depth over here because I honestly didn't do much. I just kind of like organized a few things. I have more beauty stuff down here, and then purses are down there, and my sheets, and then these shoes I don't have room for on my shoe rack, so I just kind of tucked them away back there. And then this is a cushion for my chair that I just never really ended up using because I wanted a different color, so I don't know what to do with that. But yeah, that is my closet all done. I was able to put some of the more like random junk in the drawers underneath my bed, and I cleared out a space because I'm gonna do my dresser next. So let me tell you about my dresser. These top three drawers are fine. They're pretty organized, but the bottom two drawers are the problem areas. So this one is all of my PJs. As you can see, it's kind of overflowing. I just have too many, and I feel like I do not wear all of these. So I need to go through and just organize them, figure out what I need to donate. It also doesn't even look nearly as bad as it usually is right now. Usually I can't even open it because it's so full, but I need to do laundry, so a lot of them are in the dirty clothes right now. But yeah, and then the next drawer is my Depop drawer. Oh, I totally forgot. I did stuff. Oh my God, that's where those are. I totally forgot that I stuffed some of my PJs in here because that one was just way too full. But anyways, this is my Depop drawer. There's just a bunch of clothes in here that I am gonna be selling, I think, and then like some of my supplies to like package them and stuff. But I don't think that I need a whole drawer dedicated to this. I would rather use it for more PJ storage. So I'm gonna move all the Depop stuff into the empty spot under my bed. Okay, so now that the Depop stuff is cleared out, I think I'm gonna take everything out, look at it, decide if I want to keep it or donate it, and then fold everything and put them back in and organize them. I found this shirt. If you don't know what this is the Sour merch. You guys know I love Olivia Rodrigo. You guys tell me all the time that I look like her. I swear every single time that I look at my comments, there's a new one that's like, has anybody ever told you that you look just like Olivia Rodrigo? So many people have. I don't really see it. I don't know. I guess I could kind of see like the resemblance. Like, I don't know, we both have long dark hair. There's like been a couple times where I've been like editing a video or something and like a certain angle of my face will like kind of look like her. But yeah, I don't know. I kind of don't see it, kind of do. It just depends. But for the most part, I don't. But anyways, I have this shirt from her. If you guys know what happened with her merch, like basically it looked like it was gonna be super good quality online. And then everyone got their merch after like months and months and months of waiting and was like, what is this? This is not what I bought at all. It was supposed to be like a light blue little like baby tee. This is just like a normal t-shirt, way darker. Like the graphic is way smaller than like it was pictured. I don't know. So I'm just wondering if I like get rid of it or not. Do I donate it? I feel bad because like it's Olivia Rodrigo merch, but I just don't like it. It's just not what I thought I was buying. So I've tried to get use out of it by wearing it as a PJ top, but I still even just don't like it then. So I think I'm gonna donate it. Sorry, Olivia. I still love you. I separated the clothes into piles. So this is the stuff that I'm donating. I let go of a couple t-shirts that I really like, but I just don't really wear. I thought I was gonna get rid of more, but I don't know. I just didn't have it in me. I feel like everything I was like, oh, well, but what if I have to wear it for like this? Or what if I need this exact pair of shorts for something one day? Like that's probably not gonna happen, but I am just so bad at getting rid of things. So yeah, here's the t-shirts I'm keeping. Here are the pants. I have this little pack of drawer organizers. This is from the Container Store and I've been meaning to use these for a while. I just haven't gotten around to it. So the drawers are empty right now, so I'm gonna refold everything and make it look all nice and organize it with the drawer organizers that I have. Okay, so I took a break and I cleaned up my room a little bit. I had lunch and you guys saw I finished my dresser and the drawers look so much better now. So the next thing I want to do is get my backpack set up. Obviously I'm not going to be using it for a couple more weeks, but I do want to plan out what I'm going to be taking. So this is my backpack. It's from Brandy. I ordered it online thinking that it was bigger. I did not realize how small it is. For reference, here it is next to my 13-inch MacBook. So it's really small. If it does end up being too small, I might just get this tote bag from Urban Outfitters because it's on sale right now. We'll see after I try putting all of my stuff in here. So I know that my laptop does fit in here, even though it doesn't look like it, but it's kind of annoying because you just have to like really shove it in there. The next thing I would bring is my academic planner and then a notebook. This is already a tight squeeze, so I might end up not using this bag and trying something else. Then I'm gonna bring this pencil case. I got this on Amazon a while ago and it expands if you need more room. And then here's what the inside looks like. It has this like little zipper part and then a flap for like pens and stuff like that, and then this section. So I just have a bunch of like highlighters and pens in here. There is no way I'm fitting everything that I need to in here. Next thing I'm gonna bring is a book. This is the book that I'm currently reading. I kind of just started this a couple days ago. I had just finished One True Loves by Taylor Jenkins Reid. That book is so good. Finished it in 2 days. That's the fastest I've ever finished a book before, and I am not really like a super fast reader or anything, so that says a lot. But yeah, now I'm reading this book. I'm sure every single one of you have heard of this book before because it is just so popular. I will have quite a bit of downtime on certain days between classes, and I don't always want to like go home because there is technically enough time to go back to my apartment, but it's also like I might as well just stay and like try to get stuff done. If I don't have anything to do, I can always read. Next thing is this water bottle. This is the brand Simple Modern and it was from Target. This is a really small one. I drink a lot of water, so I might not bring this one, but for the sake of this backpack, we're gonna stick with this one. Yeah, already it can't zip. Like there is no way this is zipping and I don't even have all my stuff in here, so I'm definitely gonna be getting something different. I don't know what. Probably that tote bag. Next is hand sanitizer for obvious reasons, and then gum. Then I have this little sunscreen setting mist. This is by Supergoop. I know you're supposed to reapply sunscreen all the time, and I just don't do that enough, so especially when I'm at school and I'm probably gonna be like sitting outside a lot, I wanna bring this with me. Of course, I'm gonna bring my wallet. And then I recently got the Airpods Max. Actually, not like that recently, probably like a month ago, and I really like them. I honestly hated them at first. I thought I was gonna return them because I thought they were super uncomfortable. They were like giving me really bad headaches, but I think I was just wearing them in like an uncomfortable way. I can't explain it, but like now the way I put them on, I make sure they're like perfectly over my ears and like resting very comfortably on my head. It's hard to explain, but I don't know. I really like them now. The quality is really good and they're just so cute. I will not be putting these in here because it will not fit. And the last thing that I'm bringing is my lip balm. You guys know I love my balm.coms. This one is by Glossier and it is the coconut flavor. So that is everything that I'm bringing. I'll update you guys when I figure out what bag I'm gonna use. Hello. I'm coming to you guys from my desk right now, which you guys will see at the end of August because it won't be finished until then because there's a big purchase that I made that won't get here for like a couple weeks. I'm so excited to show you guys this setup though. Also, the desk is wobbly. Sorry if like it goes like this at all. I don't know how to fix it because the floors are just like uneven or something because it's not the desk. It's just this part of the floor. So I don't know, whatever. I need to figure out how to fix that. But the last thing, oh, my battery's dying. Of course my battery's dying. I don't want it to die on me, so I'm gonna go charge it for a few minutes and I'll be back. Okay, my camera is slightly more charged than it was before, but this should not take too long. So the last thing that I wanna do to prepare myself for school starting is create a routine. So I feel like whenever school starts, I just get so stressed out and busy that I just don't take care of myself and I just fall out of like all my good habits and I'm only really like worried about school, and the times that I'm not doing school, I'm just like doing nothing and trying to like relax, and I'll just be like scrolling on TikTok or something because I don't have the mental energy to do anything else. So this year I want to do everything that I can to just prevent that from happening. So I'm gonna write down a bunch of healthy habits that I want to incorporate into my life and try to do every single day. Basically, my idea is that if I start this routine like today and do it every single day and get myself in the habit of doing these things that are good for me, when school starts, I'll just keep doing them because I'm used to it. This is kind of hard to explain, but I feel like it's usually the other way around. I'll get into like a really bad mental state and I'll be like, oh, you know what? I should start doing these things that like actually help my mental health. But then when I'm like doing well, I'm just like, oh, whatever, like I don't need to do that right now. So I'm just gonna start doing those things even though I feel fine because they're still good for me and I still should be doing them to hopefully prevent myself from getting into a really bad space mentally. Did that make any sense? Because I feel like it didn't. Hopefully it did. Hopefully you guys know what I mean. So yeah, I'm gonna write down some things that I want to do during the school year. Hopefully every single day. Okay, I wrote down daily healthy habits. The first thing I'm gonna add is reading. You guys just heard me talk about the book that I just read. That book got me out of my reading slump that's been going on for several months now. I am back in my reading era and I could not be more happy about it. It actually makes me so happy to read. Like I just love reading. It gives my brain the same amount of like joy and stimulation as scrolling on TikTok or something, but I don't feel guilty about it and I do feel like I'm doing something productive when I'm reading, whereas like if I'm scrolling on TikTok, I don't feel great about it and I feel like I'm like wasting time. So that's my very long way of saying that reading is really good and healthy. Next thing I want to do is journal. There's so many different ways you can journal. I like manifesting in my journal because it just makes me feel like I'm doing something good for myself. I'm putting good energy out and hopefully I'll get it back. Journaling is like a diary, just writing down what happened that day, writing down your feelings. That helps so much whenever I'm like overwhelmed. I'm visualizing just like getting my feelings out of my head and just throwing them on the paper and being done with it. And it actually just helps so much. Or just doing really little things. Like I love those little Pinterest journaling prompts that just like is like 3 questions that you answer in the morning or something, and then you write like a little to-do list and like your goals for the day and stuff you're grateful for, stuff like that. So easy, but makes the biggest difference. And another thing that I want to work on is working out. I actually worked out yesterday for the first time in months and I feel good. I like stretched this morning and I noticed that my abs felt sore and I missed that feeling so much. Again, it's another one of those things where you just know you're doing something good for yourself and that's just the best feeling. So that's honestly everything that I can think of right now that I've been doing recently that has just been really helping me. If you can think of anything else, comment down below and let me know. We can all create a routine together and maybe it will help improve our mental health during the school year. So my camera is dying. That is all I have.